Hi guys, welcome back to Ezekam T. Today I'm going to take you through how I was able to transform this image, this bridal shoot I did for a client to the one you see on my right side. Now from the original photo, you can see that there's someone holding a phone, and then in between the photo, there is also a light stand that is actually blocking the hand of the bride. Now we are going to look at how we are going to transform this photo to what is on my right. You could see that I have actually taken out the person in the photo and also the light stand that is in the photo. Now let's go to Photoshop and see how we could use the new AI tool to remove these obstacles in this photo. All right, so let's get into Photoshop. Now, first of all, what you have to do is grab your lasso tool. If you don't know, that is the lasso tool. Yes. So you use the lasso tool and then you draw a line around the obstacle, the light stand. Now, there are two ways to do this. After you've drawn the line, you can just go to generative fill and then type just dot or remove, and Photoshop will automatically remove the obstacle from the photo. Now, there's another cheaper way to do this. That is, after you've drawn the line around your obstacle, you will see a remove tool over there. That is around the generative fill section. Click on the remove tool and then allow Photoshop to do its work. The rest of the work is not for you. Just relax and then Photoshop will do the magic. This process won't take long, so just relax for it. The reason why this is taking long is that AI is actually analyzing the image and then also fine-tune the image that will be left. So you could see after they take off the obstacle, AI has to replace the missing body. And so voila, AI has done the job. Now we need to take care of the person standing by the left side holding the phone. Yes, that is what I'm circling on. The person standing by the left side holding the phone, and then the right side, the stuffing chair, the flowers. You need to take care of that. And all of these things, you don't have to actually stress yourself. Just draw a circle around whatever it is. You can actually hold shift and then add that of the left side also. And Photoshop will actually analyze all these two circles and then replace them with something that is best fit for the image. Now you could see that I'm done drawing this circle around the chair and the person by the left side. Then you go to the remove tool and then you click it and wait for some seconds. Sometimes this can take very long depending on the strength of your internet. Yes, sometimes this can actually take long depending on the strength of your internet. So let's hold on. At times too, depending on the number of circles you made on the image, AI has to actually sit down. AI will not sit down. AI will actually analyze the image and then look for a perfect tune, something that can actually fit whatever you've taken from the photo and then replace them. So assuming we're taking off the hands from the photo, AI should make sure that it doesn't fix a car there. You understand? Yes. That is the work of the generative field in the new Photoshop. And so let's actually wait small for this image. I don't want to skip this video because I want us to analyze or take note of the number of minutes or the number of seconds it took AI to remove these items, because we are actually measuring manpower, time, and everything. If we are to do this manually, how many minutes will it take us? And if we are to do this with AI, how many minutes or seconds will it take us? That is the purpose of this video. So this also sends us back to the argument that AI will actually help us deliver fast. Voila! You could see that AI has removed the hand and the stuffing chair by the side. This is what AI can do. This is what AI can do. I'm going to turn off all the items and then turn them on so that you appreciate what AI did for this video. Yes. So this is it. This is it. So you could see that there is this black thing. Yes, there's this black shadow by the wall. We are actually going to take care of that too. By that, we can just use our patch to circle and then drag it to a place where we think it is okay. So basically, this is what the AI can do for us. Instead of wasting much time in creating or trying to fix the image, just circle and then remove, and then you are sorted. So if somebody says AI is going to take up your job, don't be angry, be happy, and tell the person that you are actually going to utilize AI to faster your work. If you have any question about this video, just leave the comment in the comment section, and then when I read them back, I will actually attend to it. Thank you for your time. My name is Ezekiel.